Brazil just approved the Bitcoin strategic reserve, which is insane. They already bought around $4.1 million worth of Bitcoin. They are preparing to basically allocate 10% of their cash into Bitcoin, which means they have around $200 to $300 billion in cash, which means that they will buy most likely 10 to 20 to 30 billion dollars in Bitcoin. And we have already 4 countries buying Bitcoin, which is Belarus, El Salvador, Brazil. Soon it will be USA. Bhutan is also buying Bitcoin. They have already 1 billion worth of Bitcoin, and it seems like many countries will be accepting Bitcoin as the March 7th comes. And Brazil doing this move is really smart because they are buying before USA, and USA will most likely buy billions worth of Bitcoin as soon as they basically approve this Bitcoin strategic reserve plan. And again, next few years looks like will be super bullish for Bitcoin and for crypto because countries will be buying, and there will be a race to buy as much Bitcoin as possible before the USA, before the China, before Russia buys the bigger countries like Germany, UK, France. So Bitcoin will go through the roof, in my opinion. Then banks will buy, investment firms will buy more and more, which is insane. And finally, we will have a altcoin season. Also, global liquidity is starting to go up, which basically correlates one-on-one with the Bitcoin price. And altcoin season will be insane. We will have NFTs, we will have gaming, we will have meme coins, AI, and there will be so much money pouring into a crypto space. And I think this will be the biggest euphoria, the biggest bull run that we have ever seen. And yeah, be prepared for March 7th. Countries are already buying Bitcoin. Don't be late. This is not a financial advice, but there are so many opportunities. I have so many videos on the opportunities, the upcoming mints, upcoming tokens on my YouTube channel, on my TikTok, on my X, on my Twitter. Also, I'm posting daily, basically daily alpha, daily news on my Patreon, all the latest alpha, NFTs, crypto, meme coins, AI coins. If you're interested, all the links are in the description, in the bio. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.